white Chuck Chrysler. I'm back in the 300, fresh off my eye surgery, so, you know, gotta wear these shades all the time right now. But anyway, 300 is, the back glass is cool. However, the back glass after the window shattered, I don't have no defroster at all now, so I gotta check the fuse. I think the fuse might have popped when the window pops. That would make sense if we had a short or a loss of resistance in the defroster. It would cause too much current to flow, pop the fuse. But for some reason, the light still comes on the dash when I push the button. Weird. I don't know. I haven't been in there yet, so I'll let you know once I get in there and see the fuse, whether or not it's working. Now we got a new problem. Like I said, we've had our polar vortex in SoCal, and we also had hella rain, and our roads are trash. So therefore, I get potholes, bad ones, hit them a lot. Try to avoid them, can't always do it. Do it sometimes. Sometimes I straddle them, sometimes I swerve into the next lane, whatever. My wifey hit a monster. It was I think an asteroid fell and hit the earth, left a big ass crater. She drove into that bitch, bent the rim again. Oh man, I pulled the front wheel off just to look at it. I got whelps and wops all on the inside lip. And now I got one on the outside lip. Still holding air though. But also, I hadn't noticed any wobbling or anything like that until now. Now I got the wobble at 60. And I'm hearing a little when you hit bumps and stuff on the right side. So I know a ball joint is shot. We done. We back to doing front ends. Now I've never done the front end on this particular SRT 300. I did the front end on my 300C. I did the front end on my Magnum twice. Made videos about it, so it's no problem. It's all the same stuff, same parts. So I got parts coming in now. They on the way here from Rock Auto. Shout out. Got the Mevitech front end, front lower forward control arm, and the front tie rods, outer tie rods. So we're gonna slap them on upcoming. See how it goes. See if we get ready to rattle. But the other main ball joint, the front lower rearward control arm, I have not bought because that one has to be fucking heated. I'm sorry. Excuse my language. I'm a trucker. Has to be heated and pressed in and out. So I'm not doing that. I have to take it to the shop for that. So we're gonna do the front and the tie rod, see if it stops the chatter. I looked at everything, looks good. All the bushings look good, so it's got to be the ball joints. And I got 2 ball joints at the bottom on the LX in the front. I don't think the upper ball joint on the upper control arms is bad. I didn't buy those yet, so we're gonna do this in steps because I don't feel like being under the car the whole day. So we'll do this in steps, see how it goes. But for now, I'm in the 300. I'm driving. It's raining. I got my rear fog lights. That's amazing how many people refuse to turn their lights on in the rain. And I'm swearing, in a wet mirror, a wet rear window, sometimes I can't see your ass. If you rolling up on me, flying, zigzagging through traffic with no lights, you don't signal, I'm not going to see you. And in my truck, it's even worse. So, tough titties if you get hit. That's all I got to say. Excuse me for the small break. But yeah, I don't know. See, yes, sir. See, it's a Tesla up here. Looks like a plaid new one. No lights. I swear Tesla's lights are never on. I never figure out how to turn on lights on a Tesla. Thank you, sir. They were just on, luckily, in the Tesla I was driving the other day. It was dark, you know. But I see Teslas all the time at night. There's another Tesla in the drive.
New text message from Chase.
This is the law out here that you're supposed to have your lights on when it rains, when it's foggy. And me, I always do that anyway because I know how valuable it is to be seen. I know you don't need the lights to see the road because it's not dark outside, but it really does help you be seen. And when you driving something else, and I gotta decide whether or not I'm gonna change lanes, I glance over there, I don't see shit. I got my signal on, I'm gonna bop over. So If I can't see you, I can't see you. Turn your lights on, please. When it's raining, when it's foggy, when it's dark. All right, thank you, sir. I can't tell you how many people I see in the middle of the night, especially on these Asian cars, these Japanese shitbox Altimas and whatnot, and they never had their lights on because the dash is lit up. You know, these new cars, the dashboard lights up independently every time you start it. So people think their lights is on. They don't even realize it. They don't care. They don't realize there ain't no light in front of their car because they not rocking good headlights to begin with. It's a bad road over here, and it's just terrible. But anyway, when it got dark, the headlights came on. You couldn't control it. Much like brake lights, much like reverse lights. And I mean, some cars even signal for you if you zigzagging and not signaling, they'll even turn on the signal. I think Teslas do that, or it could be programmed to do that. But I would have all cars, especially now, would have automatic lights that you cannot turn off until you put on the emergency brake or throw it in park. That'd be the only way you could turn off the lights when your engine is running and it's dark outside. Every car got automatic light switch. People just don't turn it on. I swear, all the time, no lights. No lights. Look at this. All these fools over here. It's raining. Windshield wipers are on. No lights whatsoever. Irks the hell out of me. I even see highway patrol rolling with no lights on the freeway. We're kicking up all that foggy mist and everything like that. No lights. This stupid ass BMW next to me is getting on my nerves. It's doing the most. Anyway, that's my rant for the day. We are going to put it on in, eat a little breakfast. Missed all the shows this morning. I was supposed to go out to the Chemical Guys' new show. They have it in Torrance now. Didn't go to that. It was raining, pissy rain. I don't know. I don't feel like pulling the mag out in the rain. Anyway, I'm still nervous about the wrap. I don't want it wet. It ain't been wet since I got it. So I'll park it and stay in the garage until it stops raining. So tomorrow it should be sunny. We going out to AFE, meeting up with some cool cats, and we gonna roll out to AFE in Corona, see what's going on down there. But for the time being, I'm gonna post up today. Do need to throw a new wheel on my rig, a new tire. I don't know. We'll see. But whatever goes on, I'll be keeping a Hemi under my right foot at all times.